Now we are going to see polygons. Polygons example is triangle and quadrilateral. That is triangle, it has three sides. First we must know the examples and after that we will give the proper explanation of polygon. So polygons example is triangle. One is first example is triangle and another example is quadrilateral. So triangle it has three sides. A triangle it has three sides and three vertices. Okay, and three vertices. That means this is one vertex and this is one more vertex and this is the one more vertex. For example, this is A and this is B and this is C. Okay, so how could you say it is? That is triangle means first side, this is first side and this is second side and this is a third side. So how many sides? Three sides. And what? How many vertices? Three vertices. One vertex and another vertex and three vertices. So A is a vertex and B is a vertex and C is a vertex. So it has three vertices and how many sides? Three sides. So it's a three sides polygon, and four side polygon is nothing but example is quadrilateral. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. First side, second side, third side and fourth side, and one vertex, two vertex, three vertex and four vertex. It has four vertices. And how many diagonal? This is, we can call it as A, and this is what? C, and this is B, and this is D. Okay, and AC is a diagonal and BD is a what? Another diagonal. So it has two diagonals. Okay, this is what. Now we are going to see what is a polygon. A polygon is a closed curve. So this is a closed curve and this is also closed curve. I have told you in curve means in max it is a straight line. Okay, a polygon is a closed curve made up of entirely of line segments. So this is a line segment because, for example, this is 3 centimeter means this is 3 centimeter, this is a 3 centimeter. Okay, for example, it is 4 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter. Again it is 2 centimeter, like this. Okay, that is what a line segment, that is a specific measurement, and the line segment forming a polygon are called its a side. The line segment forming a polygon, line segment only forming a polygon are called its side. The meeting point of a pair side, the meeting point of a pair side. That is, meeting point of a pair side means this is a meeting, this and this is a meeting point, and that is A and C. That is A start with C, this is a meeting point, and A start with B, this is a meeting point again, and B start with C, this is a meeting point. Okay, this is a meeting point, this is a meeting point, this is a meeting point, this is A, B, C, D. All the sides are what? This is a meeting point. Okay, the meeting point of a pair of a side is called a vertex. The join of any two non-adjacent vertices is called a diagonal. The join of any two non-adjacent vertices is called as a what? It is this A to C is a diagonal and B to D is a diagonal. Okay, that is called a diagonal of the polygon. I think so. You must know what is a polygon. And polygon is a closed curve, is made up of entirely of a line segment. Polygon is a closed curve and made up of entirely line segment. The line segment only forming a polygon. I have told you line segment means a specific measurement is always there, and also line segment is a specific measurement and it's a closed curve because it's these three. This is the triangle. It has three sides and it is completely closed curve. I told you in max what is a closed curve? It's nothing but curve means what is this? That is a straight line is called in max. Okay, straight line otherwise called in max is a curve. Okay, straight line otherwise we can call it as curve. Generally not a straight line only. Generally we are saying not a straight line is a curve, but in max we can say straight line is a curve. That is what is a closed curve. A polygon is a closed curve made up of entire line segment. Is made up of entirely of line segment. The line segment is forming a line segment forming a polygon. Example is triangle and quadrilateral. And what is this? The meeting point of pair of a side. The meeting point of the pair of a side. Okay, it is this and this edge and this edge. This is. So the meeting point of a pair of a side. Generally we should not say edge, but we can call it as vertex only. But if you want to understand easily means we can call it as edge. Okay, the meeting point of a pair side is called as vertex. The join of any two non-adjacent vertices is called as the diagonal of the polygon. So A is a vertex and C is another vertex. So these two are non-adjacent sides. So we can call it as a what? Diagonal. In quadrilateral there are two diagonals, but in the triangle there is no diagonal.